I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
Hey guys, it's Jenna and welcome to another installment of Stay Inspired. So today's photo tutorial is all about editing. We just wrapped this awesome shoot in Hollywood, California on this rooftop where I shot some outdoor portraits. And I'm going to show you exactly how I edit my outdoor portraits. Okay, cool. So here is the photo of Sprout that I'm going to edit for you guys. So I just opened it up in raw form and my highlights are up at 70. I'm just going to brighten my shadows up a little bit here because I know I'm going to do it in Photoshop. So I just created a new layer and the first thing I'm going to do is go into curves. This is probably my favorite thing because it's going to make the hugest difference. So I'm going to start off with this toggle and I'm going to bring it down. I know that it's going to go down because I edited this picture before. So I already know exactly what I'm going to do with it. This one's going to come up. And then I'm going to bring this side down a little bit here. Perfect. I think we're almost there. This one's going to come back a little bit. What we're working with right now is with the shadows and the highlights. That's cool. So you can see what you're getting with the curves down here by clicking on the eyeball there. So that's just what we've done with curves so far. So I think I'm going to keep it like that because from here I know that I'm going to go in and play with selective color. I'm going to bring some of the depth back with the black and the neutrals. Okay, so I'm going to create a new layer here and then I am first going to put a preset on here that just comes with Photoshop. So you're going to go to color lookup and it's going to be inside your Photoshop, guys, so you don't have to download anything. One of my favorites to use is this first one, just the Fuji 250D. I like this one because I feel like it creates more of like a pink tone in my photos. And I'm definitely not going to use 100%. I'm going to bring it somewhere around 40, maybe, I think it's 45 for this. As you can see, it makes that nice pink tone in the skin. And then from here, I'm going to go to selective color. And this is going to make a huge difference. As I play with the neutrals and the blacks, I definitely want to bring my blacks back a bit here. Good. Let's toggle these yellows and see how these look. Maybe bring a little bit of magenta up. So I just put in the neutrals. I'm going to go play a little bit more in the blacks. Yeah, I love. Do you see what that did? Just bringing back the blacks. Just going from 0 to 7 in the blacks. Look what a huge difference. I just love this. Look at her hair. Watch her hair. And I love that my Mac is going so fast. Thank you, Mac 5 Pro. This is amazing. So from here, I'm going to play with my yellows just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be good there. I'm going to pump up the contrast a little bit. Yeah, I'm loving this. It's starting to look just cool. I'm definitely into it. And my favorite thing that we're about to do is coming up. So the last little piece of this is I am going to place a little light in there. So I'm going to drag this off to the side. So you get on here and you make sure that it's screen and you move it with your move tool. And as you can see, it's like nothing, but then as you keep moving it, as you see, when it starts to kind of touch her elbow a little bit, you can see it, or I'm sorry, her shoulder. It's like right off her hair. It looks like it's so slight, but you'll see the before and after. It's really, really cool. And I'm actually going to drive one more of the exact same thing in. and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to move it again over here. I'm going to have it a little bit further off. Again, you push screen. So if you can see, if the sunbeam is in the white, you can't really see it that good, but when you bring it down over a darker area like the black, it shows up really good. So what I'm doing is I'm building an illusion that the sun is like coming down in Hollywood. Because that actually wasn't, we were in pretty high sun, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Hollywood rooftop. I am finished with this, so I'm going to show you, this is before, this is after, a nice dreamy look. So thanks to MacBook Pro, my computer that isn't new is totally running like it's new, so I'm going to link that down below. And for these light packs, I got these off of Etsy, and I will give you a link to where I got those. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. All right, you guys, stay inspired.